Believe it or not, your body odor can say a lot about your health and hygiene. It can tell you if your personal hygiene is a little off, if you're ingesting something wrong, or signal hidden health issues. If you're worried that you don't smell as fresh as a daisy, here's a guide to battling body odor for every smelly body part. Body odor is the last thing you would want to be the cause of your embarrassment. No matter how much you shower, there are some spots like your armpits that are more prone to sweating. This problem can be tackled super easily by simply washing and cleaning your armpits daily, using antiperspirants or deodorants, and reducing your caffeine intake. You could also resolve this issue with natural home remedies like using apple cider vinegar to neutralize bad odor before showering and using cornstarch as a natural talcum powder. Stinky down there? Well, that's absolutely normal. Your vagina doesn't have to smell like flowers, but it shouldn't smell fishy either. Your vaginal odor may change throughout your menstrual cycle or other times like pregnancy or menopause. Keep any extreme odor at bay by regularly washing your vulva. Your vagina, aka vaginal canal, is a self-cleaning machine, so don't bother cleaning inside it. Next, go for cotton when it comes to your panties instead of synthetic materials as they're more breathable. Last but not least, go commando while sleeping. Ditch that tight underwear and let your vagina breathe. If you've done all this and it starts to smell different or worse down there, it's time to call your gynac and make it their problem. Your hair may look fab, but that doesn't mean it smells as good as it looks. A mix of dirt, sweat, hair products, natural oils, and bacteria can make your gorgeous locks reek. To avoid this, make sure you wash your hair 1 to 2 times a week. To take your hair care to the next level, incorporate a scalp scrub into your cleansing routine. This prevents sweat buildup on the scalp, getting rid of one of the reasons behind your stank. If you don't have time to wash your hair, you can settle for using a dry shampoo instead. It won't clean your scalp, but will definitely help you mask some of that smell. But this is just a temporary fix for emergencies. Don't make it a habit. Another pro tip that no one tells you is that cleaning your hair tools like combs, brushes, straighteners is as essential as washing your hair. So get cleaning if you haven't been doing this regularly. Bad breath is a big no-no in any situation. Certain foods, hygiene habits, health conditions, and bad habits like smoking or drinking can cause bad breath. You can get rid of this issue by just improving your oral hygiene. Brush and floss your teeth twice a day and always clean your tongue as it can hold on to bacteria. You can use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush. It doesn't feel as bad as it sounds. Coffee, sodas, sweets aren't just bad for your teeth and your health, but they're also terrible for your breath. Always rinse your mouth whenever possible with a mouthwash after consuming any of these items. Keep a pack of breath mints handy in case you're going out and don't have access to mouthwash. As a final hack, put that mask back on and pretend you're not feeling too good. No one is going to care about your breath anymore. They'll be too far away. You should also visit your dentist at least once every 6 months for checkups and a professional cleaning. If you're pretty active or get sweaty often, here's what you need to do. Just make sure you shower regularly and scrub off all the odor-causing bacteria with an antibacterial soap and loofah. Speaking of loofahs, they're usually a hotbed for bacteria, so make sure you keep them in a dry, clean spot every time you use it. Another major reason for body odor is wearing dirty or damp clothes, so wash and dry your clothes well to avoid this problem. We hope you found these hygiene tips helpful and can beat bad odor like a pro. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.